Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this part of the video, I'm gonna be showing you how we are going to be doing a complete business name registration. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you share to someone. It might help. So without further ado, so we log into our dashboard as you can see basically here. So we are going to be seeing the name that is not yet to be submitted. So we have the pending application, we have the query, the application, then we have the name that has been approved. So what we're gonna do is to click on new reservation. So as you can see, then we scroll down here, then you are going to be selecting the classification of the kind of registration we are doing. So in this case, we are going to be doing business name registration. So what you want to do is to click on this, then you click on business name, then you select the type, which is a sole proprietorship or a partnership. So if it is sole proprietorship, which means it's going to be having a it is a sole owner business. So if it is a case of partnership, it means you are going to be, it's a two-man business or three-man. So that is what we refer to as partnership. So I'm going with a sole proprietorship. So what I want to do next is to click on continue. So once we click on continue, we are going to be inputting the business name, then we select the nature of business, then the specific nature of business. So then once we are done with that, we are going to check the availability if the name is available or not. So I have my name here, so I'm just gonna paste the name here. So then we choose the kind of the category. So this business basically engage in so many things, so which means I'm going to be going for let me just say general merchandise. So okay, so I'm gonna look for let me look for the service activities. So I'm gonna scroll, let me see if I can find it here. Okay, so I can either go with other personal service activities, so but I'm going for general merchandise, so it's gonna be under administrative. I think it should be under administrative and supportive service. So I'm gonna click here, so I'm gonna select, okay, it should be someone here. So I'm gonna choose general merchandise. So that's what I'm gonna be going with. So then we click on check availability. So let's see if our name is available. Okay, so congratulations. So the proposed name is available. So the next thing you want to do is to click on continue. So once we click on continue, we are going to be proceeding to make our payment. So I'm gonna click on continue. So then the next thing I want to do is to click on remitter. So I'm gonna click on remitter. So I am going to be paying using bank transfer. So I love using bank transfer. So it makes my work much easier and it's go through easily. So I'm gonna copy this account details. So I'll be making the payment. So then we proceed from there. Okay, so it take me back home. So I'm gonna click on check payment status. So let's see if our payment has actually gone through. So as you can see here, so these are information we are going to be entering. So we have the business name, which is the name we reserved, then the nature of the business we chose, then we are going to be entering the company email, then the company state, company city, then the street number, then the company street number, then the business commencement date. So these are information I'm going to be entering right now. So then make sure when you are entering your business commencement date, make sure you choose the day your business actually commence. So in this case, I'm going to be choosing today's date. So let me quickly fill the information, then we can proceed. So ensure you put the street name, I mean the street number where it should be. So if you just put the company street number, you maybe number 59, number something, or F33B, or anyhow. Rest. So as you can see, so the next thing we want to do is to click on save and continue. So the next stage here is where we are going to be entering the proprietor details. So the business name proprietor. So this is where we are going to be entering the details. So ensure the name you enter after here is the same name that is on the ID card you are going to be using, be it NIN, voters card, international passport. So ensure the name is the same, the way it is spelled, the way it is arranged, which is the surname, first name, and other name. So then you enter the correct phone number, the gender, the proprietor date of birth, the proprietor state, then the proprietor local government city, then the street phone number, and the proprietor service uh, address. So in this case, so I'm going to be filling all this information. So I won't want the video to be very long. So I'm gonna fill in all this information. Then we can now proceed to the next part of the registration. Okay, so you fill in the first names. You fill in the now you fill in the first name, the another name, then the phone number. Then choose the gender. So as you can see, then you choose the date of birth. So in this case, so I'm gonna be choosing the date of birth. So I'm gonna select and look for the date of birth. So which is okay. So I'm gonna locate the date of birth. Okay, you select the year first, then you proceed to select the uh, month. Okay, so then you choose the date. So then having done that, so the next thing you want to proceed to is to choose the proprietor state. So in this case, so it is still Abuja, which is the federal FCT. So then the proprietor local government. So then we select the proprietor city. So then we will type in the city. Okay, then you enter the street number. So then okay. Okay, I'm gonna enter the street. Okay, then you give the description. So Dawako district, Dawako district. So then having done that, the next thing you want to do is to ensure you check the information, are they proper and are they correct. So once they are correct, so the next thing you want to do is to click on add proprietor. So after you added this, so if you have any correction, you can simply just click on the edit, or you want to remove, you click on remove. Then the next thing you want to click on is to click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, it's going to take us to the next stage where we are going to be uploading the required document. So then you select proprietor. So then you can see we have just only one proprietor in this case. Then we are going to be uploading the NIN, the passport, then the signature of the proprietor. So since we are having just only one proprietor for this business, so as you can see, everything has been added successfully. So the next thing you want to click on is to click on add proprietor document. So as you can see here, so you can view, you can remove, you can change file if you want. So the next thing you want to do is to click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, it's going to direct you to where you are going to be viewing the information. So you check if all information you entered are correct. So if there is kind of any error, you can simply go back and check for any kind of error before you proceed to submit and make payments. Make sure you check it very well. Ensure you check it very well then before you proceed. So the next thing you have to do after you ensure all information is accurate is to click on submit and proceed to payment. So then I'm gonna click on that. Okay, so as at the time of recording this video, this is the actual amount we are going to be paying. So ensure you keep your RRR code, so in case you have an issue with the payment, so you can easily trace it and lay your complaint. So the next thing you want to do is to click on remitter. So I'm going to click on remitter. So we are going to be making our payment just the way we make our payment for the name reservation. So in this case, I'm going to be using the bank option. So we have so many options. We have the card, bank, USD. So most of the time I use bank transfer. It's much easier for me. So we are going to be making a payment of 10,161 naira 25 kobo. So I'm gonna make the payment right now, then we can proceed. So it's submitting our application after the payment has been successfully made. So as you can see, so the payment has been successfully made. So your application has been submitted successfully. You will receive an update on your application within the hour. So the next thing, just click on continue. We wait for approval. So as you can see, we can, if you click on the pending application here, so we are going to be seeing the name we just reserved now, as you can see. So we just wait for approval, or if there's any kind of query, then we can resolve the query, then we get our certificate in just few minutes. Thank you. I see you next time. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.